3Rtablet is an innovative enterprise based on technology and oriented in international market. We have been committed to research, develop and manufacturing of robust and durable Internet of Vehicles terminal products and solutions. We have adhered to 3R philosophy since inception, namely rugged, reliable, and ready. Our products are designed to meet the demanding requirements of specific vehicles, forklift safety, taxi dispatch, fleet transportation, precision agriculture, and other segments. With its rugged design and reliable performance, our solution will help you get the job done, no matter how harsh the conditions. Our target customers are in different industries and most of them face unique challenges and require custom solutions to meet their specific needs. That's why we offer a customization services with open cooperation attitude to all our customers. All the customization requirements have the possibility to be realized from conceptual design, sample service, mass production to technical support. 3Rtablet can provide you with all-in-one service, tailor-made products with unique designs. 3Rtablet has a strong R&D capability. Currently, we have more than 50 engineers, including software, hardware, and mechanical engineers with high work enthusiasm, solid professional foundation and creative abilities. As a technological enterprise, we constantly pursue innovation and further study in the field of research and development. We believe that we can seize future market opportunities by mastering the two core factors of talent and technology. Each product undergoes at least 11 rigorous tests to ensure its reliability, including incoming inspection, salt spray inspection, high-low temperature inspection, vibration test, drop test, IPX7 dustproof, IP6X waterproof, EMC, EMI test, etc. Behind outstanding products is our accurate control of production technology and professional management of production staff. We adopt a 6S management approach, with scientific and reasonable workshop divisions, efficient assembly line operations, mature and stable worker teams, and sophisticated producing instruments. We have our own workshops include SMT lines, dust-free rooms, welding lines, debugging lines, assembly lines, inspection lines, laser printing room, warehouses, mold workshops, and injection molding workshops. We are certified by ISO quality certification system and our products meet international quality standards. We have established strategic partnerships with many top international suppliers, forming a high quality and stable supply chain. Our products meet the circulation standards of multiple regions, and our sales trajectory spreads throughout the world. 3Rtablet actively participates in many overseas exhibitions. The products and services we offer are warmly welcomed in the market. Thank you.